Hello. And we are finally here in beautiful Mesa. What an absolutely beautiful part of the country, and we're very happy to be here. So I'm Deb Socia. I'm the executive director of Next Century Cities, and we are a membership organization. We're a nonprofit. It is free to cities and communities to join, and we help local communities and elected officials who want or have fast, affordable, reliable broadband. If they have it, we help them think about how do they use it well? How do you improve community engagement? How do you manage digital equity issues? How do you work on things like economic development? If you don't have it, we'll help you think about what that looks like as well. What are the ordinances you should have in place that will help you do that job better? So that's the work that we do, and we do these regional meetings. This is our fourth. All over the country to bring together local folks to talk about the concerns that are relevant to that community, and we hope that we bring you great value in that opportunity as well. We have amazing speakers today. Let me tell you a little bit about what's going to happen. So we have a keynote speaker this morning. We're very lucky to have Commissioner Clyburn here with us. Then we'll have panel conversations. We really like our panels to be conversational. We hope that you will ask questions and be a part of the conversation. And then after lunch, we will do some breakout sessions. So it's all on your agenda. We are live streaming today, so I will say hi to our live stream audience. If you look at the Twitter handle, Digital Southwest, that has the live stream link. Or if you go to our website, you can see it there as well, nextcenturycities.org. And while we're at it, if you are somebody who tweets, we encourage you to do so and use that hashtag, DigitalSW. That would be very helpful, thanks. A couple of quick thank yous. One to the City of Mesa, who's been our partner in this, and to Ian Linson, who has been an amazingly helpful collaborator. Yeah, we could clap for Ian, he's just great. And thank you to Visit Mesa, the Arizona Commerce Authority, Local First Arizona, they were all great. And I want to say a quick thank you to our team. So Chris Mitchell, who is here, Todd O'Boyle, and Katie Watson in the back. Thank you all for all the work that you've put in. I also want to mention Amy Meacham. Is Amy here? She's in the back. Amy has been very helpful in this process as well, and she is in charge of the event that's going to happen tomorrow. So if you're interested in the NTIA coaching session, you should talk to her during the course of the day. Another thank you to the Internet Society of New York and to Paul Brigner, who is our videographer here today. We are very thankful for your support and your help on this. And a thank you to our vendors. Quickly, it's Fujitsu and Juniper, platinum sponsors, and we really appreciate your help. We really hope that these events bring great value to everyone in the room, and we appreciate the support from our vendors. KeyBank is our silver sponsor. Our other sponsors are Atlantic Engineering Group, Bear Communications, EX2, McLean Engineering, Sherpa Fiber, Visual Gateway Labs, Virtual Gateway Labs, so sorry, US Ignite. And at this point, I'm going to invite up Eric Farkas, the Vice President of Solution Sales from Fujitsu, because he's going to introduce our keynote speaker today.
Thank you, Deb, and good morning, everyone. I'm delighted to be here today representing Fujitsu Network Communications as a sponsor to the Digital Southwest Conference. It's a great opportunity to come together and exchange best practices for empowering communities through broadband connectivity. On behalf of Fujitsu and our partner, Juniper Networks, I'm honored to introduce our keynote speaker, someone with a true passion for providing high-speed connectivity to all Americans. I'm struck by the parallels in our mutual desire to close the digital divide. Last year, she launched a Connecting Communities tour with a unique approach. The tour's purpose was to listen and build relationships with people, startups, nonprofits, voices that often go unheard. It enabled her to explore the opportunities and challenges of bringing affordable, competitive communication services to everyone. As a result, she saw firsthand how people are affected when they live on the wrong side of the digital divide. Motivated by this inequity, our speaker sponsored a policy forum last October to build the forward-looking Solutions 2020 Call to Action Plan. This plan establishes a prioritized agenda for delivering robust connectivity to all Americans by 2020. The final version was released on March 27th this year. At Fujitsu, we too begin by listening to our customers, state governments, municipalities, rural electric cooperatives, and enterprises. We engage co-creatively and involve all parties in collectively shaping and creating their desired outcome. As you know, broadband and smart city projects involve multiple parties with diverse aspirations, challenges, and constraints. At Fujitsu, as a network integrator, our job is to bring together all the stakeholders and put together the puzzle pieces. Then we work together to help plan, design, build, and maintain that infrastructure. A good example is our work with partners like Juniper Networks and the city of Fair Lawn, Ohio, creating Fair Lawn Gig. This municipal broadband utility is well on the way to delivering affordable gigabit fiber and wireless connectivity across the entire city. That means broadband at home, at school, at work, and even at the park. We're proud to say Fair Lawn's 7,400 residents and over 30,000 daily visitors are enjoying affordable, reliable, and accessible connectivity. This is just one example of our vision of connected communities and smart cities across the United States. It's a vision I know we share with today's keynote speaker, Commissioner Mignon Clyburn. Commissioner Clyburn is serving her second term on the Federal Communications Commission. In 2013, she served 6 months as acting chairwoman under President Barack Obama. Before serving on the FCC, Mignon worked at the state level for 11 years. She was a member of the 6th District on the Public Service Commission to South Carolina, serving as its chair for 2 years. Commissioner Clyburn is a longtime champion of consumers and a defender of the public interest. She considers every commission proceeding with an eye to its effect on each and every American. Please join me now in welcoming our keynote speaker, Commissioner Mignon Clyburn, to Arizona and the Digital Southwest Conference.